Hello and welcome to Cultural Cuisine everybody. We are back again with another meat recipe to add in our Eid menu. Today we will be making Dumpukht, which is meat cooked in all the whole spices. Here I have got 1.3 kg of lamb meat, 4 medium onions sliced thinly, 4 medium-sized tomatoes. I've chopped them like this. About 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. I have taken here 2 inches piece of ginger which I've chopped like this. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds I took and I've crushed them coarsely like this. There are about 11 to 12 small red chili whole, and I've got some whole spices here. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of cloves, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, 4 to 5 black cardamoms, 4 pieces of cinnamon sticks and 5 pieces of bay leaves. It's really easy and quick recipe. I'm going to mix all the ingredients together in a pan and let it cook on low heat. And let's start cooking. Got my pan ready here. I'm going to add the meat in here, onions, chopped tomatoes, garlic, ginger, coriander seeds, salt, whole red chilies and all the whole spices. Okay, I'm going to add half a cup of water in here so the meat can cook nicely and it gets soft. I have not added any oil in it yet. I'm going to add the oil when meat is nice and tender and soft, and then I'm going to add oil in it. And I'm going to let it cook on low to medium heat for about an hour or 40 minutes or until meat is nice and tender. We'll check it halfway through. I'm going to let it cook until it starts boiling and then turn the heat down. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes and you can see it's boiling nicely. I'm going to give it a quick stir and let it cook. Just heat it up nicely, evenly. So now it will cook on low heat. And I'll show you halfway through what it looks like. Okay, this is our meat has been cooking now for about half an hour. It's halfway through. You can see there's still a lot of water in here. Let's see if it's done or not. Oops. It's still a bit not cooked, so you need to carry on cooking for at least another half an hour until it's nice and soft and tender. You can see it's still not cooked through. So let it cook on medium heat for another half an hour to 40 minutes, and I'll get back to you when it's nearly cooked. Okay, it's been roughly an hour. Now you can see all the water is nearly dried. We have a little bit of gravy left and the meat is cooked nicely as well. You can see it's a bit hot. It's breaking nicely. I'm going to add oil now. Okay, I've already added like half a cup of oil and 2 green chilies whole. I've slit them from the middle. I'm going to let it cook on medium heat for at least another 10 minutes or until the oil separates from the gravy and is all ready. I'll show you in 10 minutes what it looks like. It's going to be cooking on medium heat now. Okay, you can see the Dumpukht is ready now. Oil has come to the surface. I'm going to turn the heat off now and dish it out. I've got a nice gravy with it. It's looking really nice. It's mouth-watering. You can enjoy them with tandoori roti, plain naan, tandoori naan, parathas, anything you name it, it would be delicious. Okay, now I'm going to garnish it with some ginger, coriander and green chili. I'm going to sprinkle some ginger, which I've cut into thin strips. 1 green chili chopped and some coriander leaves. I'm going to serve it with homemade plain naan. It looks scrumptious. Please do try the recipe. And remember to subscribe Cultural Cuisine if you have not subscribed it yet. And do try the recipe, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And we'll be back with another recipe for special Eid menu on Cultural Cuisine. See you. Bye.